Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. And today we are diving into the top current affairs from this week. National updates 16 September to 22nd September. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announces to resign from CM's post. IMD issued red alert for extremely heavy rainfall in parts of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Home Minister calls for enhanced cooperation between NIA and state anti-terrorism squads. CBI arrests Sandeep Ghosh, Abhijit Mondal in connection with Kolkata rape and murder case. India wins 16 medals and medallions of excellence at WorldSkills 2024. India to host COP9 Bureau and Fund Approval Committee meetings. Government authorize SSC to perform voluntary Aadhaar authentication. PM Modi reaffirms India's commitment to achieve green development at Reinvest Global Meet 2024. President Draupadi Murmu to inaugurate 8th India Water Week 2024. 40 countries to participate from across world. IMD forecasts very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. India launches Operation Sadbhav to provide humanitarian assistance to Typhoon Yagi affected countries. India leads in milk production with 57.62% growth. GFRS 2024 to be held from September 19th to 21st. Over 3,148 crore rupees loans disbursed under PMEGP in first 100 days of Modi government's third term. Union Home Minister Amit Shah says projects worth 15 lakh crore rupees initiated in first 100 days of third term of Modi government. Second edition of Naval Commanders Conference of 2024 begins in New Delhi. Government authorizes SSC to perform Aadhaar-based authentication for candidates' verifications. The auction of gifts received by PM Modi to begin. Niti Aayog working on developing pathway for net zero carbon emissions by 2070. ISRO to commence first unmanned mission under Gaganyaan program. 90 countries, 26 states and UTs and 18 central ministries to participate in World Food India 2024. ICGS makes port call at Bali in Indonesia as part of overseas deployment to East Asia. IMD forecasts heavy to very heavy rainfall over Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Vice President to chair valedictory session of 4th edition of Reinvest Meet in Gandhinagar. Centre advises edible oil associations to not hike prices till availability of existing stocks imported at lower customs duty. Bluecraft Digital Foundation launches Viksit Bharat Fellowship Program to encourage writing and creative talents. FIDE scheme will provide remunerative income to farmers for agro-residue. Government to reduce fossil fuel imports through hydrogen innovation. Ujjain-Indore 6-lane highway to be completed in 2.5 years at a cost of 1,692 crore rupees. IMD forecasts heavy rainfall in UP, MP and Uttarakhand in next 3 days. 4-day mega event, World Food India begins in Delhi. Telangana CM Revant Reddy launches new MSME policy 2024. His second charge sheet in NEET UG 2024 question paper leak case against 6 accused. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated centenary celebrations of Iconisa. FATF warns India of serious threat from ISIS and Al-Qaeda-linked groups active in Jammu and Kashmir. Nadi Utsav 2024 inaugurated at Inca on 19 September in New Delhi. F completes exercise Eastern Bridge 7 with Royal Air Force of Oman in Masira, Oman. CBDT notifies rules and forms for Direct Tax Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024. Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh appointed as next Chief of Air Staff. Union Minister Bhupender Yadav participates in International Coastal Cleanup Day Drive in Mumbai. International updates 16 September to 22nd September. Dawn crew returns to Earth after historic commercial spacewalk. Storm Boris wreaks havoc across Eastern and Central Europe. Democratic Republic of the Congo will launch its first phase of Mpox vaccination campaign on 2nd of crisis in Central Europe. Targets Ukrainian energy infrastructure in Sami region. Indian embassy to Sri Lanka presents Lord Buddha statue to Dharmatana temple. Booker Prize 2024 shortlist announced, largest number of women represented this year. Sweden signs to MOUs on defense industry cooperation with UAE partners. Taiwan spots Chinese aircraft carrier group sailing through waters off its east coast. UN says pager explosions across Lebanon mark an extremely concerning escalation. IMF postpones consultation mission with Russia due to technical issues. Canada announces further reduction of international students to manage temporary resident arrivals. Ukraine's parliament amends budget 2024 for defense. Voting begins tomorrow in Sri Lanka for 9th executive president election. Storm Boris causes flooding in Italy. Russia to increase drone production by nearly 10 times in 2024. EU President announces €10 billion fund for flood-hit countries. WHO steps up Mpox surveillance in South Sudan as cases soars in Africa. Japan, thousands of people ordered to evacuate from Wajima, Suju cities ahead of weather forecast warning. Ukraine bans government and military officials from using Telegram on state-issued devices. Sports updates 16 September to 22 September. Paul Kharap clinches Belgian international title. India continues to dominate at 45th Chess Olympiad. Neeraj Chopra finishes second at Diamond League final in Brussels. Reaches Asian Champions Trophy final. Chess Olympiad, Indian men's team scores victory over Azerbaijan. Women's team defeats Kazakhstan. Lifts men's Asian Champions Trophy for record 5th time. Chess Olympiad, Indian men's team scores victory over Hungary. Women's team defeats Armenia. Santosh Kashyap appointed new head coach of Indian women's football team. Test cricket, India scored 339 for 6 at stumps against Bangladesh. China Open 2024, India's Malvika Bansod defeats Kirsty Gilmour of Scotland. China Open 2024, Malvika Bansod loses to Akane Yamaguchi in quarterfinals. India's Dhanush Loganathan wins bronze in men's 55 kg at IWF Junior World Championships 2024. India secures resounding victory over Iran in round 8 at Chess Olympiad in Budapest. Najira Banu wins gold in Taekwondo at Khelo India Women's League. First test, Chennai, India is in leading position against Bangladesh. Afghanistan secures commanding 177-run victory over South Africa in second ODI of 3-match series. India secures 2-2 draw against Uzbekistan in 9th round of Chess Olympiad in Budapest. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.